BofA downgrades Owens Corning on new home demand. BofA securities analyst Rafe Jadrosich downgraded Owens Corning NYSE OC to underperform from buy, lowering the firm's price goal at the stock to $80 from $119. In a notice launched Friday, Jadrosich said they trust new home call for deteriorated over the previous couple of weeks as a result of the spike in mortgage quotes, up 40 bits per second in 10 days, plummeting client self-assurance, and the weaker economic growth outlook. At our housing symposium on June 6, homebuilders recounted a moderation in May. Takeaway: observe, however, we agree with call for has incrementally slowed since then. We now assume homebuilders to mild the pace of latest construction and U.S. single-family housing starts to fall to the 800,900K variety in 2023 from a current pace of 1.1 mm, wrote Jadrosich. We nevertheless see fantastic long-term drivers to new domestic call for, such as a demographic tailwind and a scarcity of houses following a decade of underbuilding. However, the urgency to buy has evaporated and we expect a pause in the housing marketplace that might stretch into 2023. As an end result, the organization downgraded insulation, roofing, and fiberglass corporation Owens Corning, pointing out there is limited upside to roofing with margins and income possibly near peak levels. OC has distinctly excessive new production exposure, estimate over 1/3 of insulation and 20% of roofing. In insulation, we now count on quantity to decline approximately 10% YoY in 2023 and margins to compress. Composites ought to sluggish in 2023 with weaker industrial demand.